the untold story of Theresienstadt Ghetto, elderly upper-class German Jews. Alongside the German Jewish intellectual class, another powerful group emerged, the German Jewish bourgeoisie and nobility of finance and industry. These were families of immense wealth and influence, standing at the intersection of businesses, politics, and international banking. Names like Bleichroder, Warburg, Mendelssohn, Oppenheim, or Rothschild symbolize not only German success, but global economic power. Gerson von Bleichroder served as a Bismarck's personal banker, managing Prussia's and later the Empire's financial affairs. The Warburgs of Hamburg built connections stretching from New York to London, helping shape the world's financial system. The Mendelssohns and Oppenheim families financed railroads, steel industries, and imperial ventures, often working directly with the German aristocracy and the emperor's own economic advisors. These Jewish financiers, industrialists, and intellectual nobles were deeply integrated into German high society and funded Germany's industrial expansion. They had no idea that their destiny had already been written by the Nazi general Reinhard Heydrich and his right hand Adolf Eichmann, who in 1942 offered them a deal unlike any other. At the time, most of them were between 70 and 85 years old, a special group of elderly German Jews, the bankers, the industrialists, the aristocrats. To them, the Nazis promised a destination different from all the rest, under one condition, that they would transfer their immense wealth from Swiss, Swedish, and New York banks into the hands of the SS. In return, they were granted the privilege to purchase what sounded like paradise, a promise of comfort and safety for the rest of their lives, in a Bohemian spa town called Terezín, the Terezin Spa.